image formation by plane mirror. Here, first of all, we have see the image formation by plane mirror. For the formation of image, we are using the two types object. That one pointed object and some height of object. First, we have discussed the pointed object image formation. See here in this picture, we are using the pointed object. One point you are remember it. For the image formation, we must to need the two light ray. Where the reflector rays intersect, that point we are getting the image formation of the object. See here, O is a pointed object. R1 is a light rays. R1 light ray fall on the smooth surface. Here we are using the plane mirror. The plane mirror are coated backside silver paint. Here R1 light ray fall on the plane surface. The light ray bounce back it. Here I draw the normal. ON is a normal of R1 light rays. Next R2 light rays fall on the smooth surface and also reflected it. Here I draw the normal ON2. Next we must to extended the reflector rays. Here I extended the reflector rays. The two reflector rays are intersected. Two reflector rays are intersected. That point we got it the image of the point of O. We got where the reflector rays intersect, that point we got it the image of the point of O object. This is the explanation about the where we are using the pointed object. Where we are using the pointed object in front of the plane mirror, we got it the image formation through the ray diagram. Here one point you remember, here we are observation distance of the object O, from the surface, here object of and surface distance. The observation distance of the object O and image I from the surface of the mirror is equal distance. Surface of the object and surface of distance and surface and image of distance are equal. This is the information about the image formation by the plane mirror. We are using the pointed object. Next we have discussed the erected object or some height of object by using of plane mirror image formation. Let me discuss. Next, image on erect object by plane mirror. Here we are taking the object, some height of object we called the erected object. Here you see in this picture O dash is some height of object. Here when we are keep to the some height of object, we get the reflection on the plane surface. To explain through the ray diagram, here the object edge point O dash, the rays are coming from edge of the object. The R1 light ray come from the edge of the object. Here R1 light ray fall on the smooth surface or plane surface and it get reflected, and R2 light ray fall on the plane mirror and also it get the reflection. Here we are draw the normal N1 and N2. Here next the bottom of the object, the two light rays are coming and reflected it. Here R3 light ray come from the object down or bottom of the object. Here the R3 light ray fall on the smooth surface and get reflected, and R4 light ray fall on the smooth surface from the bottom of the object, it get reflected. Here also we are drawing the draw the normal N3 and N4. Here we extended the R1 and R2 light rays, reflector rays. Here extended the reflector rays of R1 and R2. Here I extended the reflector rays of R1 and R2. Here where the reflector rays intersect, that point is image of I of object O and O dash, and also here R3 and R4 reflector rays are extended where the reflector rays are intersect, that point I intimated the I dash. Here I and I dash are the image of the O dash object. I dash is the image of the O dash object. Here O dash is some height of objects. Some height of object or erect object. When we keep it the plane mirror, we get the same image, same size image, same height of image. Here we are explain through the ray diagram some height of object. Next I is the image of the object O dash. You know it, that one. Next characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. Let me discuss what is the characteristics of the plane mirror. Some characteristics are there. Image by the plane mirror. Here you see what is the image. What is the image? It is a virtual image. It is a virtual image. Here images are two types are there: real image and virtual image. That points are we are discuss upcoming videos. Here the image is a virtual image. Virtual same as it is virtual image. Next the image is straight. Here when you stand in front of the plane mirror, your image is appear on the mirror. So here what are you observe here? Same height, same size, you got it the image of your images. So there is no difference, there is no change about image formation by the plane mirror. So the image is a straight or erected as it is image is there. Here the next point, the characteristics of the plane mirror image characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. Size of the image is equal of size of the object. How much size is there of the object, and equal to the image also same size. That point here I write it. Next image distance is equal to the object distance. Here O and surface, how much is distance is there? Same distance surface and I image distance are here equal. Image distance, object of distance and image of distance are equal. One point you remember it, characteristics of image by the plane mirror. The image is virtual image. The image is always straight image. Next the image, the size of the image and equal of size of object. image distance and object distance are equal. This is the characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror.